Welcome to our 9th module in Python, where we will look at dropping columns and rows. Let's get started. Let's read in the Bitcoin dataset by using readCSV function and assign it to variable BTC. Run the head function to have a look at the data frame. Now let us drop column serial using drop function. In the function arguments axis equals 1 indicates that we wish to delete the column. Now let's run the function. Perfect. Now you can see that serial column is missing in the new data frame. We can delete multiple columns by enclosing them in square brackets. Let's retry deleting 2 columns. Great. However, to delete these columns permanently, as discussed earlier, we need to use argument inPlace equals true. Let's retry the same example, but this time deleting the columns permanently. Read in the Bitcoin data set again. And repeat the same process, however use the inPlace equals true argument within drop function. We will now look at dropping rows within a data frame. Let's read in another dataset of World Happiness Report and assign it to variable called countries. Let's inspect the dataset using head function. Let's change the index column of the dataset by using index column argument in the read function and assign it to column country name. Now rerun the head function. You can see that index column is changed to country name. Now let's apply the drop function, however this time label will be index value and axis will be set to 0 indicating row deletion. We will drop Denmark, and let's see if it works. Perfect. The row entry for Denmark is gone. You can repeat the same process for multiple rows by enclosing index values within square brackets. And we are done.